Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. Already you know in previous class we discussed 1 mark questions and I hope you practiced that all the examples. In today's class we are going to discuss about 2 mark questions, very important questions, and total you have 2 marks 3 questions. How many questions? 3 questions are there. Total you have a 40 marks test. In that 2 marks questions are 3. Here I will discuss this kind of 5 examples, means you will get as a 2 marks questions, very important questions. And one more thing, in 4 mark question also I will split this 2 mark questions, 2 mark questions, one and one more for 2 mark question. There I will give A and B. So 2 mark questions are there, no, very important. This you will get in 2 mark also and in 4 mark also, means in 4 marks that kind of 2 examples I will give. Okay, fine. So let us start the class. So I will take here one question. Solve the equation 3x plus 7 is equal to 16 by using trial and error method. Trial and error method. Very important questions, dear students. This kind of examples you may get in 4 mark also. I will ask the question, solve the equation 3x plus 7 equal to 16 by using trial and error method, means you have to use trial and error method. One more method is there, balancing method. You have to solve by using balancing method also. I will ask this kind of example as a 2 mark question, okay, in 4 marks. Okay, so let us solve this example. So put here x is equal to 1 and write here 3x plus 7 is equal to 16. 3 into 1 plus 7 is equal to 16. 3 ones are 3 plus 7 is equal to 16. 3 plus 7 is 10 is equal to 16. So here you write LHS is not equal to RHS, okay, because until you have to put here x values you will not get LHS is equal to RHS. Next I will take here x is equal to 2 and write here 3x plus 7 is equal to 16. 3 into 2 plus 7 is equal to 16. 3 2s are 6 plus 7 is equal to 16. 6 plus 6 is 12 plus 1 is 13. So 13 is equal to 16 and that is not equal, LHS is not equal to RHS. Again you take here x is equal to 3 and write here 3x plus 7 is equal to 16. 3 into 3 plus 7 is equal to 16. 3 3s are 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. 9 plus 7 is 16 is equal to 16. LHS is equal to RHS. So you have to put the values of x here until you will not get LHS is equal to RHS. So the solution of the equation is x is equal to 3. Okay. So this kind of again more examples are there in textbook. Do practice in home. Next here I will take one more example. I will move to here trial. So this is trial and error method. This kind of more and more examples are there in textbook. Solve it. So next I will solve here example by using balancing method. By using balancing method. Balancing method. Very important questions. Balancing method. See dear students, in exam if the question is there, solve by using trial and error method means you have to use that method, and balancing method means now what I am using now, that method. So here I will take 2 questions. 4x by 5 is equal to 12. Next 7 minus p is equal to 13. Balancing method. See here what you are going to give in LHS, no, the same you have to give to RHS also, and where minus is there, no, there you add, and where add is there, no, there subtraction, where multiplication is there, no, there division, where division is there, no, there multiplication. Dear students, now here division is there means you have to 4x by, and here you write into, and 12 into 5. So here in bracket you have to write multiply, here you have to write multiply with 5 both sides. Yes, both sides. So this 5 cancel, take here 4x is equal to 12 5 is 60. Again here 4 into x is there. So what we have to do here? Divide with 4 both the sides. So divide here 4x by 4, 60 by 4. This 4 cancel. Take here x is equal to 4 1s are 4, 2 remain, and here 5. So means 20, it's 5. So x is equal to 15. So the solution of the equation is x is equal to 15. So here what we have to do? Plus 7 is there means I have to write here minus 7. Okay, so subtract minus 7 from both the sides. So write here 7 minus p is equal to 13. So this 7 cancel, minus p is equal to 13, or you can write p is equal to minus 13. Okay, so this type we are going to solve here examples. Okay, so here move to next examples. Dear students, see here whatever you are going to give here LHS side, no, you have to give to RHS side also. Okay, so next here you change all the procedure. 13 minus 7, yes, tell me, 13 minus 7 is 6. Okay, so don't do this mistake in exam. See, now I did here, I given only to LHS side, and I did not given to this I did not give to this right side. So don't do this kind of mistakes. Okay, so 13 minus 7 is 6, or p is equal to minus 6. Okay, so this type you are going to solve here example. Don't do this kind of mistakes in exam. So you have to give RHS side also as well. Okay, so next I will take here. So again this kind of more examples are there in textbook, so do practice in home. So here I solved balancing method and trial and error method, very important. This kind of examples you may get in 2 mark question also and in 4 mark question also. So next here question is there, write the statement as equation. Write the statements for this equation. So here I will take some example. 3x plus y is equal to 17. 6y is equal to 42. You have to write in statement. 2p minus 1 is equal to 8. Next, x minus 7 is 25. So write here 3 times x. 3 times x added to y is 17. So this type you are going to write its statement. Okay, so next here what is their question? See, 6 times y. What is there? 6 times y. 6 times y is 42. Here you have to write in numbers only, is 42. Next, 2 times p. 2 times p subtracted from 1 is 8. 2 times p subtracted by 1 is 8, or you can write 2 times p minus 1 is 8. Okay, so how I wrote, no, the same you have to write here. Okay, 2 times p minus 1 is 8, and here you write x minus 7 is 25, or 7 subtracted from x is 25. That is also correct. Okay, so this kind of, again, more examples are there. Do practice in home. You will get in 2 marks question also, as well as in 4 marks also. If 2 mark question is there, means this kind of 2 questions I will ask. 4 marks is there, means this kind of 4 marks questions, 4 questions I will ask there. Okay, fine. So next, here I will take some examples from your fractions lesson, addition and subtraction. Very important examples. 3 by 4 plus 5 by 8. Dear students, you can add like fractions very easily, but when it comes to unlike fractions, no, here little bit it's difficult. So I will take one example as a subtraction. 1 by 5 minus 2 by 5. Very important questions. Okay, 2 by 25. So how to solve this example? See here, first I have to make this denominators same. Here you have 2 methods, but I will use here method 2. So 4 and 8, you have to take the LCM of 4 and 8. Take here 4 ones are 4 twos are. Again you take 2, 1 as it is, 2 ones are 2. So take here 4 into 2. The LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. So write here 8 and hide this numerator and write here into 1. 4 how much are 8? 4 twos are 8. Why I wrote here 2? Understood? I am making here denominator same. 4 twos are 8. Again you hide this for you. 8 how much are 8? 8 ones are 8 ones are 8. Okay, next you hide this 2, take this 3 into 2 and 5 into 1. First you multiply with the denominator, again you take this numerator. So write here 3 into 2 plus 5 into 1. Okay, so this taking is there, no, that is very important here. Next you move to 3 twos are 6 plus 5 ones are 5 and write here 8 as it is. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 by 8 will be the answer. Okay, if you are writing, this is also correct. If you need to convert this to, see, this is there in improper fraction, write in mixed fraction. Take here 11 and take here 8. 8 ones are 8. 11 minus 8 is 3. Okay, so write here 1 3 by 8. 1 3 by 8. Okay, so if you wrote only 11 by 8, that is also correct. So same you have to do with subtraction, but where addition is there, no, there you have to do subtraction. Dear students, for this you need more and more practice. So again you have more examples in textbook, so do practice it. So next year you have to take the LCM of 5 and 25 and divide with 5. 5 ones are 5 5s are. Again you take 5, 1 as it is, 5 ones are 5. 5 into 5 is 25. Okay, so here I will rub this. Here this example you solve here, write here 25, hide this numerator 5, how much are 5? 5 5s are 25. Again you hide this 25, how much are 25? 25 ones are 25. Next you take this 1 into 5 minus 2 into 1. 1 5s are 5, 2 ones are 2 divided by 25. 5 minus 2 is 3 and here you write 25. 3 by 25 is the answer. Here there is no need to convert because it is there as a proper fraction. Okay, so this kind of more examples are there in your textbook. So you may get this, if one question is there means 2 mark. If this kind of 2 marks are there means I will give in 4 mark question. Okay, so I hope this class is clear to you. Solve this kind of example and send it to my WhatsApp number. I hope today's class is clear to you. Thank you.